And I look for those rare special properties that typically you're not going to find if you're looking for real estate. What I mean is it has so many little attributes and upgrades and is something that you can't really change unless you're building a custom house somewhere with everything that you want. So I'm talking end of a cul-de-sac. I'm talking single story. That's 1 in 4 houses are single story in the current active market. And then I'm also talking about it has a view. It doesn't have any back neighbors. It has a swimming pool. It also has a large grassy play area for a yard. It's got a covered rear patio, a large slab in front for parking, and also gated RV. And no HOA and no Mello-Roos. So I look for these things. There's only one property that fits that criteria all across all price ranges in all of Santa Clarita Valley, period. And that is at 22206 Claibourne. And I did the numbers this morning because I wanted to see if there was anything else like this out here for sale, and there absolutely is not. So this is the residence of which I speak. You can see the layout here. You're at the end of a cul-de-sac up in Circle J Ranch, single-story residence. You have a covered patio with lighting. You also have a large yard here. You can see this is an RV, folks. So this is the size of this property, a third of an acre, priced under $1 million at $949,000. Just fantastic. No rear neighbors here, but just to look at this property, really just beautiful. I do have a virtual tour that I have set up here as well, so you can go through and walk through the property yourself. All you have to do is go and click on that virtual tour. But realistically, just a fantastic property. And it's the only one. It really, truly is the only property that has those criteria. A lot of people are looking for residences such as this. The house isn't massive, but you're going to save on air conditioning, heating, and it's just perfect. It's just a wonderful house. You have a newer pool heater, brand new Pebble Tech on the pool. You have an actual tankless hot water heater as well. Pool heater about 6-7 months old. Tankless hot water heater, that covered area. You have a large yard. You have a fenced-in pool. That fence can be taken and you can plug the ground, and they have little plastic discs as well. And then of course it has the view in the back, the RV parking, large grassy area, just really fantastic. A Class A fit here. That's actually gated RV parking as well. So absolutely wonderful. You can see the footprint of the residence, just beautiful home. And again, no HOA, no Mello-Roos. Let me know if you're interested, but I do appreciate you watching. It's just, I look for these rare properties that have things that you're just not going to find. And this is that one at 22206 Claibourne. Have a fantastic day. We'll talk to you soon. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.